Today, we reviewed the best 5 soy sauce that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Kikkoman Soy Sauce. The naturally brewed Kikkoman soy sauce is a Japanese soy sauce with medium taste and red-brown color. This is a kosher soy sauce which is brewed traditionally in the US from soybeans, wheat, water and salt. It does contain sodium benzoate as a preservative, and like all soy sauces, it can taste quite salty, which can mean a very different taste if you are used to lower sodium soy sauce.
Number 2.
Lee Kum Kee Premium Dark Soy Sauce. Made from premium non-GMO soybeans and wheat flour, the Lee Kum Kee Premium Dark Soy Sauce, 16.9 fluid ounces, is also free from preservatives. Made in China, this balanced dark sauce contains caramel, which makes it ideal for caramelized dishes, although like most soy sauces it is suitable for a variety of cooking requirements.
Number 3.
Kishibori Shoyu Imported Soy Sauce. An artisan soy sauce, the Kishibori Shoyu imported soy sauce is made on Shotoshima, an island in Japan's inland sea. It has a full yet milder flavor than other soy sauces and does not contain any additives or preservatives. It is made with whole soybeans, sun-dried sea salt and wheat, and ferments for 1 year in cider barrels which have been used for over a century.
Number 4.
San-J Tamari Gluten-Free Soy Sauce. This sauce does contain alcohol to act as a preservative and is brewed in the US. Some users prefer to dilute this sauce slightly with water before using, and although gluten-free, there is a very small chance of cross-contamination of up to 2 ppm of gluten.
Number 5.
ABC Kecap Manis Sweet Soy Sauce. Imported from Indonesia, the ABC Kecap Manis Sweet Soy Sauce is in a 600 ml 20 fluid ounces bottle. Suitable for barbecue, fried rice, marinades and steaks, this sauce is sweetened with cane sugar and will offer a sweet umami flavor. Some buyers consider that this lacks flavor as it uses sugar rather than palm sugar and is not as similar to other Kecap Manis as it could be.